Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to log into Zenith Bank account online on computer, and now let's dive right in. Now to log into your Zenith Bank account online on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I've already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in the address zenithbank.com and hit on enter. And after that you'll be redirected to the home page of Zenith Bank. You can see over here guys, let's click on the continue button over here. Now from over here, in order to log into your account, we can see the internet banking option available for us. Now in order to proceed, either choose your bank account is a personal one or a corporate one. For me it's a personal one, so let's click on the personal one. And from over here you'll be required to enter your account number, whichever may it be, and after that enter your PIN and token number over here. And after that you can click on the login button available over here to sign into your account. But guys, if you can also change to the password. If you click over here guys, here it says the PIN and token, but if you can click on the password, and you will be able to enter your password of your account. So but if you have forgotten your PIN and token or your password, then you can click on these buttons to go through a retrieval process for your account. And with that being said guys, after entering your account number and your password or your PIN and token, depending upon which one you like, click on the login button available over here, and then you'll be signed into your Zenith Bank account online on your computer. And there guys, this is how to log into Zenith Bank account online on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.